Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. Welcome you all to Siddhi's Craft and Creation Studio. Before we proceed to any other talk, I would really request you all to guys please subscribe to my channel and click on that red subscribe button. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you like that. Comment any query of yours to me. I'll definitely try to solve it. And even share this video with your family and friends. So guys, without wasting time, let's proceed into the video. Today, what's new? Today we are going to make jute photo frame, that is DIY wall decor idea. This idea is totally based on Diwali room decor one. So let's begin with tutorial and enhance the particular part of a room in a very beautiful one. So let's begin. When comes to the first DIY, that is Diwali jute photo frame, you can see this particular DIY. It is completely guys best out of waste and you can make this DIY in just ₹30. How interesting is it? For that, what you need to do is you have to take some newspaper rolls like these type of newspaper. This is papric roll. You have to take like this paper roll and you have to join them and make in any shape you want. That is, here I have taken some newspaper rolls, 4 each, and I have got into the shape of frame like this. These are my old frames which sometimes before enhance the look of my room, but now as Diwali is coming, so I need to upcycle this one. So I have taken these photo frames. I have made 3 sizes, like one is this, the other is this, which you have seen it's upcycled already, and the other one is this green one. So the best size was this one. What I have did is I have overlapped it with some of the jute lace or jute rope in which I have overlapped this. You can see there are some turns and twists in this, so I have overlapped this, and just after that I overlapped, some hairs were coming out, so I have applied the Mod Podge. What is Mod Podge? The Mod Podge is just the mixture of glue and water so that the glue paste becomes little bit thin or it is diluted. Then after that I have just overlapped it with jute. After applying jute के बाद मैंने एक old CD ली जो books में easily मिल जाती है, या we are going to find it at home, and similarly with the help of needle placing in the center, I have overlapped it also with jute. Then taking some embellishments, I have sticked here and there to give it a very cool look, like you can see this. Now the next important part is, what is these lines? This is nothing else but a glitter outliner. Glitter outliner, it comes from Fevicryl company and the price is even very cheap. It just comes for ₹20, and I think you can make around 10 to 12 DIYs very much. So it is also even very cheap. Then I have taken some wool yarns. Wool yarns are easily available at your home or maybe in the local stores at a very easy price. Then I have just made tassels with them. I will be just telling you how you can make tassels at home. You just have to take the yarn and overlap it on your fingers. When you overlap on your fingers, you have to just tie the knot to make this type of beautiful tassels. After that, just you have to apply, you have to cone line it. Then I have taken one embellishment like this leafy pattern, then I have sticked here and I sticked glass over this, and you can see I have just here taken a small rope, and with that I can hang this in any part of my room to make it looking attractively cool, isn't it?